Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing the new UG update. You can see it's kind of snowy now in the game. And I'm pretty sure the Bone Valley is closed, yeah. But...
let's see if the Bone Valley... oh yeah, it's closed forever now.
We got the... no, I think they're gonna bring it back next Halloween probably. But
oh yeah.
on the good side, guess what we got back?
We got the lava monster back?
Uh-huh. And it's revamped. The lava map itself isn't revamped, but the boss is.
Bet, let's go.
It's a lot harder than it used to be.
That's great.
There's literally no point. It's not the health change, but there's no point of getting on top of it anymore. They also fixed the glitch where you can spam slingshot. You can't just spam slingshot anymore, you know?
Oh, that's great. That's greatly bad.
Also, the reason why I said it's just no use to be on top of it is because its fireballs are aimed. So they go up and curve just to hit you. The only way you can dodge it is just running fast enough. Because they'll eventually hit the ground.
I'm not going down there.
What?
Oh, R.I.P. bro. Oh, R.I.P. me. Oh, R.I.P. me. Oh, R.I.P. me.
Dude, these things' toes are so big. Alright,
wait!
I love this map, bro. This is one of the best. Yeah, yet again, I don't know how, but doesn't this remind you of Minecraft somehow?
Somehow, this map, but then for some reason this map reminds me more of an ancient city than the Nether. I don't know why.
Yeah. It reminds me of just the old days when we just go. Old AC will be missed, bro. I love old AC. Old AC, I mean nowadays, AC honestly ain't that good. It is still very fun. It's the game that brought me to my YouTube channel. But now,
also,
I don't quit that.
Also, shout out to like candy cases, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, they have a really cool channel. I also have a friend that's YouTube channel now called Will67. Go subscribe to him, I guess. And subscribe to Ozzy.
What's out?
Oh, nice.
That's
Ozzy, you know. You know my man, my
yeah, Ozzy too. Also,
if you looked at any comment section, no joking, any of my videos, probably, then you've definitely known.
Except for one. Except for
like 2 videos, then you know who Ozzy is.
Ever commented?
It's not a bad thing to comment on.
If you ever commented on any of his videos, you know who Ozzy is, basically.
Okay, what's down there? Wait, where's he at? Oh, I bet he's behind the rock.
No!
Shoot. Yo, I got you. I'm
dead. Goodbye.
Get my dino's back. Get my dino's back.
I loved my life, but it lasted.
Get on my dino's back.
Let me get on his back.
Oh, that was a crazy save, though. There ain't no way he's dead. He is dead. Oh, I need backup. Dang, that thing is OP. Oh shoot, isn't that just great? I'll be back in a sec, guys. I think I just found the exit, guys. Get me out of here.
Please. No, not now, not here. No.
Oh my gosh, finally I skipped that torture hole, bro.
No.
I finally found water to res my dinosaur. And then I can head back to Jay. Alright guys, I res my dinosaur now. So I'm heading back to Jay. Where you at, Jay?
Die, you dumb chicken.
I'm coming, Jay, don't worry. We're gonna take the very fast route. Are you fighting the Magmadon? I bet he is.
No! 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 Why? Why? No! I'm burning in the lava! No! It's a slow and painful death! Ah!
Dude, this is hard. Where's this?
Please no!
Come on, come on. I'm on my way. I hear the boss.
No!
Ow! This stupid chicken just maybe was like 300 health. 400, whatever.
No! Down here!
Huh? Oh, bro, it's so cooked.
This is the end!
What the? No! Oh. I'm gonna go back. Exactly. Ready. Yep, he's definitely dead. He is definitely dead. No joke. Definitely dead. Also, guys, I have a question. Which one do you think's better? Ugg or Animal Crossing? Also, I'm gonna make a post what I should do for 100 subscribers again. And, I guess I'll do whatever you guys want me to. Alright, let's do this. Dang, you guy's name is good. Come on, let me walk in.
This is the slowest painful process that I just had to go through 5 minutes
Come on,
ago.
bro.
Less. No, please, Zeke, help me.
I can't, bro.
Are you already in the magmadon?
Yeah, I'm fighting it. It's like, dude, what are you supposed to do to stupid balls I can want? Oh, that thing, dude. The thing is so annoying. It's actually big.
While my dinosaur slowly
I think that thing should be.
and then I
Oh,
died too. I know what you could do. You could try to
Oh, I'm dead.
wall and then dodge it at the last second.
I'm already dead, bro.
Dying from what the lava on my head.
Yes. Finally. Oh my gosh, my thing's so.
Back up!
I'm coming. Don't worry.
No! Please! Zeke! I'm fighting the lava myself!
Oh my gosh.
No! Zeke! Zeke! No! Ah! Zeke!
Yo, retreat out of the volcano. Retreat out the exit. I'm like right there, bro.
Help me! No! How do I do it?
I could try to do the parkour to that.
My way! For what is a man?
No!
No! What has he got? If not himself? No! No!
Perfect.
No!
Oh.
Please! It's chasing me! Wait!
Jay! Jay! Get on.
Hello! Hello!
Get
Here.
on. Get on me. Throw your dinosaur.
R.I.P.
away.
dinosaur.
Get on me. Get on me. Get on my.
I'll get to a safer spot for you.
Ow. Stupid beast. Oh crap, he's dead. But anyway, so we can continue that. useless piece of junk anyways. Ooh, I'll take the ride, bet. I need to just lock in there. Come on, bro, I got this. Back. Alright. So hard because there's little chicken on your screen while you're trying to fight for you. Dude, there ain't no way I just found that path in like.
It just blocked my
This thing is so annoying. Look at this. What was that about? Yikes, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Come on, spam. No! Dude, I swear this boss is like impossible. Come on, I'm gonna speedrun this, bro. I need to speedrun. Alright, this is the final time, but this time I actually want to try bringing the slingshot with me. And then just refresh my page real quick. Then we'll put that there. Oh my gosh, that thing's hard. I don't know where Jay is at all. Is he even still in? To be honest, he's probably not. He's not in the game anymore. You know what? Whatever. I think I'll just end this video though. Thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.